Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max Wi-Fi issues. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your device. So wait for it. So after a few seconds, tap on the power button to power on your device. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is forget the Wi-Fi connection and reconnect it again. So for this, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the icon, tap on forget this network. So after forgetting it, reconnect again. So reconnect again. So after this, the next solution is turn on and turn off your Wi-Fi router. So guys, after this the next solution is disable low power and low data mode. So for this, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on icon, scroll on. So here is the low data mode. So guys, if this is turned on, turn off this feature. So after this, the next solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset icon, tap on reset network settings, enter your password. So simply tap on reset network settings. And then after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.